Hi students, let us continue with our chapter 25 complementary angles. In the previous class I had explained you about complementary angles and we had done few questions based on that. Okay. So now let me start with the second main in exercise 25. Second main. Evaluate first question. Sin 90 minus A into sin A minus cos 90 minus A into cos A. Sin 90 minus A will be equal to cos A into sin A minus cos 90 minus A is sin A into cos A. That is equal to 0. Okay. Now coming to the fourth sub question. 2 tan 53 degree by cot 37 degree minus cot 80 degree by tan 10 degree. 2 times, this can be written as tan 90 minus 37 by cot 37 minus cot 90 minus 10 by tan 10. That is 2 times tan 90 minus 37 will give you cot 37 by cot 37 minus tan 10 by tan 10. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Okay, hope it's clear. This is how you will solve this type of questions. Okay. Now coming to the third main. Tan 10 degree, tan 15 degree, tan 75 degree, tan 80 degree equals to 1. So how do we solve it? So let me bring this complementary angles together. Tan 10 degree, tan 80 degree, tan 15 degree, tan 75 degree. So you can see here 10 and 80 are complementary, 17 and 15 are complementary, right? So how much you get here? I can write this as tan 90 minus 80 into tan 80. Only one of them I am changing, okay? Tan 90 minus 75 into tan 75. Tan 90 minus 80 will be written as cot 80 into tan 80. Just taking LHS and solving, okay, into cot 75 into tan 75. What is cot 80? I can write as 1 by tan 80 into tan 80. Then this can be written as 1 by tan 75 into tan 75. Cancel them. So you'll get 1 into 1 equal to 1. So this is how we solve this type of questions. Okay. Now coming to the fourth main. Express each of the following terms in the angle between 0 degree and 45 degree. How do we express? We have first sub question sin 59 plus tan 63. Tan 59 minus tan plus tan 63. So sin 69 I can write as sin 90 minus 59 will be 31 plus tan 90 minus 27. So this can be written as sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos 31 degree plus cot 27 degree. So now we see we got an angle between 0 and 45 here. Okay. So let me do one more question from this main. Cosec 68 degree plus cot 72 degree. So cosec 68 can be written as cosec 90 minus 22 degree plus cot 90 minus 18 degree. Okay. So cosec 90 minus 22 will become secant 22 degree plus tan 18 degree. So again here we got as 22 and 18, which is less than 45 degree. Okay. Now coming to the fifth main. For triangle ABC, show that sine A plus B by 2 equal to cos C by 2. Okay. So, for this, I consider a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, if I consider, I'll get how much I'll be getting if I consider a triangle. I will get it as in triangle ABC. I can directly write A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. So I need A plus B in one side, no? So I'll take A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. Okay, taking C to the other side because I need only A plus B in LHS and C in the RHS. So I am concentrating on LHS now. So now I have A plus B by 2 here, correct? Just have a look, I have A plus B by 2 here. So trying to get that A plus B by 2 equal to 180 minus C by 2. A plus B by 2 equal to 180 by 2 is 90 minus C by 2. Now let me substitute sine on both the sides. Sine A plus B by 2 equal to, multiplying sine on both the sides, 90 minus C by 2. So I'll get sine A plus B by 2 equal to, what is cos 90 minus, sine 90 minus C by 2 will be equal to cos C by 2. So I got the proof here. Hence proved. So what we have done, since it's given as a triangle, I have taken A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, and I've just looked into the question, what do I need here in the LHS? That I kept one side, and what is left out I have taken to the other side. Then I needed a 2 here, I divided 2, but whenever you do something to one side, you have to do it to the other side also. So you got 90 minus C by 2, then I multiplied sine on both the sides. Then here it remains a sine. When it comes to this side, it becomes cos C by 2. So you got the proof. Hope it's clear to you all. Okay. So this is how you solve this. Now let me do few more questions from 6th main and we conclude with that. Okay. 6th main. Okay. In the 6th main we have, let me do, all the questions are similar to what we have done. So I'll just go to the 6th question. Little complicated questions I'll be doing. 6th question. 2 tan 57 by cot 33 minus cot 70 by tan 20 minus root 2 cos 45 degree. So let us substitute now. 2 times tan 57 I am writing as tan 90 minus 33 by cot 33 minus cot 90 minus 20 by tan 20 minus root 2 into, what is cos 45? That is 1 by root 2. Okay, we have learned it in the previous chapter, right? So I can cancel this root 2 and root 2. Here what do I get? 2 times tan 90 minus 33. So I can write as cot 33 by cot 33 minus cot 90 minus 20 can be written as tan 20 by tan 20 minus 1. Cancel them. So you'll get 2 minus 1 minus 1. That is equal to 0. Hope it's clear. Now let me do one more question from this main. That's our 8th question. Question number 8. Cos 70 degree by sin 20 degree plus cos 59 degree by sin 31 degree minus 8 sin square 30 degree. Okay. So again I am writing it as cos 90 minus 20 by sin 20 plus cos 90 minus 31 by sin 31 minus 8 into 1 by 2 whole square. This will be equal to sin 20 by sin 20 plus Sin 31 by sin 31 minus 8 into 1 by 4. 2. So you'll get 1 plus 1 minus 2, that is equal to 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Now let me do one more question from the 8th main. Coming to the 8th main. In each of the given below, find the value of angle A where 0 degree less than or equal to A less than or equal to 90. So let me do the first question there. Sin 90 minus 3A into cosec 42 degree equal to 1. So sin 90 minus 3A equal to, I will take it to other side, 1 by cosec 42 degree. Okay, just have a look at how we are solving it. Sin 90 minus 3A equal to 1 by cosec 42 will be sin 42 degree. Now I got sin on both the sides, right? See, you can see it sin on both the sides. We have sin here, sin here. So we can equate the terms. What is given? 90 minus 3A equal to 42. 90 minus 42 equal to 3A. 48 equal to 3A. A is equal to 48 by 3, that is equal to 16. There is one more question. Let us solve that also, so you will get a clear idea. Second one, cos 90 minus A into secant 77 equal to 1. Cos 90 minus A equal to 1 by secant 77. Cos 90 minus A equal to secant cos 77. 1 by secant 77 means cos 77. 90 minus A is equal to 77. A is equal to 90 minus 77, that is equal to 13 degree. Hope it's clear to you all. Thank you, students. So with this, we are completing with this chapter.